Good morning students. Today we are going to see add or subtract. You all know what is meant by add and what is meant by subtract. You already learned this addition and subtraction. So here it will be a word problem. In that word problem there will be a hint. You are going to find that, and then there we have to add or subtract, like that we are going to find, and then we are going to solve that problem. So first of all we shall see some examples and then we shall move on to the exercise problem. See, to the first problem is given here. There were 326 flamingos in a group. 126 flew away. How many flamingos are left in the group? So we are going to find the left one. So here there is a hint, no, flew away. How much are flew away here? 126. And you are going to find how many flamingos are left in the group. So the remaining, how much are there in the group, like that you are going to find. So to find that we have to subtract the number 126 to this number 326. So here we are going to use subtraction. So up to hundreds place you have to write, because they have 3 numbers. See here 3-digit numbers. So we are writing up to hundreds place. Write that number, first number 326, 6 in ones, 2 in tens and 3 in the hundreds, and the next number 126, 6 in ones, 2 in tens and 1 in the hundreds place. And now give the minus sign, because we are using subtraction now. Here they have asked that only, how much are left in that group. Left means remaining. So we are going to subtract. First in the ones and tens and then hundreds. 6 minus 6 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0, and 3 minus 1 is 2. So here how many of them are left? 200 flamingos. How many flamingos are left in the group? 200 flamingos are left in the group. So first we have to read the word problem, and then here there will be hint. You are going to identify that hint, and then you are going to find the what to use there, addition or subtraction, and then solve the problem. Then you will get the answer. And see the next problem. There are 345 ducks in a group. 42 ducks join them. How many ducks are there in the group now? So here what is given? More is given. More means itself addition only. So here 42 more ducks join this one. Join them means in that group 42 more ducks are joined. So with this number we have to add. So then only we can find total number of ducks are there in the group. So how many ducks are there in the group? Now we have to find. So we have to write the places up to hundreds place, because we have a 3-digit number, no. So we are writing up to hundreds place, and then fill the number in the places. 5 in ones, 4 in tens and 3 in the hundreds, and 42 more ducks. 2 in ones and 4 in tens. Now you have to add these two numbers, because more is given. First we have to write the places and then fill the number, and then give the addition sign, because we are using addition only, no. So give the addition. First in the ones we have to add, then tens, and in the hundreds. So here 5 plus 2 in the ones, no. So 5 plus 2 is 7, 4 plus 4 is 8, and here in the hundreds place is 3. So the answer is 387. 387 ducks are there in the group now. So here we have used subtraction, here we have used addition. First we have to read to the problem, then see to the hints, and then identify what to use, addition or subtraction. After finding that, solve that problem, then you will find the answer now. Now we shall see to the exercise problem 9.4. First one is read the word problem. Decide whether you need to add or subtract and tick the correct option. Also solve the problem. So what is given here? We are going to read the word problem given here, and then we are going to decide whether you need to add or subtract. Then you have to decide, you have to add or you have to subtract, and then you have to tick that one. Whether we are using addition means you have to tick, or subtraction means you have to tick that block one, and then tick the correct option. Also solve the problem, and then after deciding that we have to tick that and we have to solve that problem. So see to the first word problem. There are 320 parrots in the bird sanctuary. 55 more parrots join them. How many parrots are there in the sanctuary now? So here we are going to do addition only, because what is the hint given here? How many parrots are there in the sanctuary now? Here the number of parrots joined is 55. More is given here, that is one hint, and then you are going to find how many are there, are in now, like that you are going to find that also. And here see, first 320 parrots and then 45 more join, and you are going to find the total number, how many parrots are there in the sanctuary now. At present how many are there? Like that we are going to find. First we have to do the addition. We have choose that. So we have to tick this block as addition. After ticking this one, and then we have to solve the problem what is given there. What is given here? First 320 and then is given here as 45 more. First we have to do this 320 at first. We are going to solve the problem. No, first write that number 320 and we have to do the addition only. That's why we have ticked here. Here then 45 is given. So write that as plus 45. So this is addition sentence. Here we are going to solve that problem. Is equal to, we are going to add this one. So first write the places, ones, tens and hundreds, and then write the number here in the places. And then give the addition sign. So now add in the ones place first. 0 plus 5 is 5, the tens place 2 plus 4 is 6, and the hundreds place is 3. So the answer is 365. Like this only we have to solve. First we have to read the problem and then we have to decide what we have to use, addition or subtraction, and then tick which one, and then you have to solve the problem. Here we have written the first number and the second number. Here more is given, so we have ticked the addition and then we have added the problem that we have to solve the problem. No? So that way we have added. First write the places and then fill the numbers and then find the answer now. So 365 parrots are there in the sanctuary now. So this is the answer. And see the next word problem. There were 162 pigeons in the bird sanctuary. 60 pigeons flew away. How many pigeons are left in the sanctuary? So here what is given? 162 pigeons are there in the sanctuary. Birds, pigeon in the bird sanctuary, 162 are there. And 60 pigeons flew away. So remaining how much will be there in the sanctuary? So to find that we have to subtract. So we have to tick the column here in the subtraction. So here we are going to subtract the number 62, this number 162. Why we are subtracting? Here flew away is given, that is one hint. And then how many pigeons are left? Here left is given, no? So we are going to find the remaining which are there in the bird sanctuary. So now we shall subtract the number 162 minus 60. We are subtracting the number 60 to this number. So what will be the answer? First write the places, ones, tens and hundreds. Why we are writing up to hundreds? Because we have a 3-digit number there, no? So we are writing up to hundreds and then fill the number 6 and 1. And now write the next number 0, 6, and now subtract these two numbers. First in the ones and tens and then in the hundreds place. 2 minus 0 is 2. 6 minus 6 is 0 and in the hundreds place 1. So the answer is 102. So totally 102 pigeons are left in the sanctuary. Remaining 102 pigeons are there. And see the next problem. This one you are going to do as your homework. These two problems you are going to do as your homework. So see problem. On Sunday 467 people visited the bird sanctuary. On Monday, only 132 people visited the sanctuary. How many people visited the sanctuary in the 2 days? So here what is the clue? Here 467 people on Sunday. On Monday 132 people. So what is given here? How many people visited sanctuary in the 2 days? The 2 days, how many of them are visited? So to find for the 2 days, we have to add those two numbers on Sunday, on Monday. So we have to add those two numbers. So you have to choose the addition, add, and then you have to solve the problem. And here next problem you are going to do as your homework only. There were 178 peacocks in the bird sanctuary. 21 peacocks come in. How many peacocks are there now? So here also the same thing. What is you are going to do addition only. 178 peacocks already there in the bird sanctuary. 21 peacocks come in. Coming means it joined to that. So here join means we have to add those two numbers. So how many peacocks are there now? So while we are adding only, we will get the total number of peacocks there in the sanctuary. So here we have to add this one also, we are going to add one day. So you will solve the problem and you are going to find the answer here for how many people are visited in that 2 days, and here how many peacocks are there now. So that too you are going to do as your homework. Now see the problem number 2, solve the following problems. First one, a grade 2 class had 479 crayons on the first day of school. On the last day of school, there were only 143 crayons. How many crayons were used during the year? So here we are going to find the answer. What is they have asked? How many crayons were used during the year? In that year, how many crayons are used? That we are going to find. Here total number of crayons are given, and in the last day of school, how many crayons are there? 143 crayons only left. So how much of them have been used? So to find that, we are going to subtract the numbers. So then we have to subtract 143 to this number. First write the places, ones, tens and hundreds, and then fill the number. 9 in ones, 7 in tens and 4 in hundreds, and then you have to write this number 143 because you are going to subtract this number. 3 in ones, 4 in tens and 1 in hundreds. Why you are subtracting? To find how many crayons were used during the year. In that year, how many crayons are used? Here left, on the last day of the school, these much are left. So totally first was there is 479. So what they have asked, how many are used? So we have to subtract this number. The last day, how much are remaining? 143, no? So that number should be subtracted to the total number of crayons. First in the ones and then tens and then hundreds. 9 minus 3 is 6. 7 minus 4 is 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. So the answer is 336. 336 crayons were used during the year. So how we have found? First total number is there, total number of crayons on the first day, no, to second grade class. So for 479 crayons on the first day, on the last day 143. So last day is given, first day is given. So in between days, how much crayons are used? That is 336. While subtracting this number to this, you will get the remaining answer. How much are used? That is 336. And see the next problem. 312 birds were found in a forest. 213 more birds came to forest. How many birds are there in the forest now? So already like the same problem we have seen there, no, before problem, first problem, the same thing only, same problem only here it is given. 312 birds are found in the forest. In a forest 312 birds are there. And see here 213 more joined, more means itself it's addition only. So here 213 more birds came to that forest. So we are going to find the birds are there in the forest. Now how much birds are there? That one we are going to find. With this more means it's add only, addition only. How many are added there? So here it is given, no, we have to find how much are there now. At present how much are there? So to find that we have to add those two numbers. 312 plus 213. To add these two numbers, first write the places. And then write these two numbers. First you have to write this number, second you have to write this number, and then you add those two numbers. First you have to add in the ones place and then tens and then hundreds place. After finding that answer you have to write as, after finding that answer, write that number and write as birds are there in the forest now. You have to write that number and remaining you have to write like this and you have to finish the answer. And the next problem also you are going to do as your homework. These two problems as homework for you. Here a farmer sows 263 corn seeds and 326 potato seeds in his field. How many seeds has he shown in all? So here all it is given, shown in all. So totally how much he has sown? Here farmer sows 263 corn seeds, 326 potato seeds. Here they have asked how much here how many seeds has been sown in all, totally how much he has sown. So you have to add those two numbers, corn seeds plus potato seeds. What is the number of corn seeds? 263 and the number of potato seeds is 326. So you are going to add those two numbers. First give the places and then fill the number and then first add in the ones place, then tens place and at last in the hundreds place, and then you will find the answer. No, with that answer you have to write the number first and then seeds has he sown in all. Like that you have to end the answer. So what we have seen today, add or subtract. So first we have to read the problem, what is given, the word problem is given for you. So first read that and find that what we have to use, addition or subtraction. So first we have to identify that and then we have to solve that problem. So do the homeworks what I have given for you. Thank you students.